In this video, we're going to show you how to use residential IPS with username password. First, head over to the official website. Hover your mouse over the menu under your username and go to the dashboard. Find residential proxies and click Use Now below it. Next, select the username option. From there, you can choose the country and city you want to pull IPS from. On the right, you'll find the country codes for your selection. You can then choose to use server ports in the US, Europe, or Singapore. On the right-hand side, you can also select the session type you need, sticky IP or rotating IP. If you choose sticky IP, you can set the IP duration with a maximum of 120 minutes. With rotating IPS, the IP will change randomly each time you access it. Next, you can copy the CURL command below and paste it into your system's CMD to test if it's working. Below that, you can choose your sorting preference and the number of IPS to extract. Once you're done, just click Generate. Finally, you can either copy the IP list or export it to a document to import into your business system for use.